For this example, we're figuring out what to do whenever x is in the denominator of a fraction. For part A, we have 4.2 divided by x equals 3. So the operation that's going on here is that we're dividing by x. The inverse of dividing by x is multiplying by x. So let's solve. We know that we have to do our inverse operation, so we're going to multiply both sides of this equation by x. The x's on the left-hand side cancel, and we're left with 4.2 equals 3x, because 3 times x is 3x. Now we know how to solve this already, because the inverse of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3, and what you do to one side of the equation you have to do to the other. The 3's cancel, and x is equal to 1.4. Example B is similar here. 2 divided by x equals 0.5. Again, we're dividing by x. So the inverse is multiplying by x. Okay, let's solve. 2 over x equals 0.5, and we're going to multiply each side by x. The x's cancel, and 2 equals 0.5x. Now we divide both sides by 0.5, and x is going to be equal to 4.